Alright, so I'm playing deathmatch with this new update, and it's the revolver. This thing is weird. And
Let's talk about this
also,
hot pistol, boy.
Yeah, I put a sticker
I
on
don't
the
know.
thing, and every time it shoots, the sticker moves.
I think I need to change that sticker that the Deagle is my next op
like
to the Revolver's menu op.
one-hit headshot.
Man, you can wallbang people with it.
Fuck off with these
It's
hit
like a
markers.
one-hit body shot up close.
Yeah. And if you right click, you can spray with it. It loses accuracy.
Well, everybody's talking about the revolver. Talking about the chickens.
It's crazy.
Can you like not die?
Like, why did they put this in the game, like, right before? Like, why did they put this when all the tournaments were over? The final tournament of the year is just gonna be AIDS because
I don't
of this.
even know who's gonna be using
Like how
it.
it's how like DreamHack London was AIDS because the Zeus was overpowered.
This is gonna be patched next week, so have fun using it while it's over.
It's gonna be patched like tomorrow.
This thing's OP.
Patch it in an hour.
When they have to patch in the new cases because it's not dropping.
Oh,
Yo, somebody
you
just
got
got it
collab.
last
It is dropping though. That'd be funny if like Valve just had a bunch of them and we're just selling them for a quick buck.
I don't even know. These chickens.
Apparently the Crimson Web of this is like a blue skin and someone's trying to sell it for $100 on the market.
Yeah, I'm sure they're gonna be going for a lot.
The Fade will be going for a lot, the Crimson Web shouldn't be though. It's a blue. No one's gonna buy a blue skin for $100.
I'ma sell my knife.
Confirm, I'm selling my $800 knife to buy cases.
Sell my home inventory for a case.
You know what? I'm
Does
getting
anybody
for
know
Christmas.
if the knives are chroma or just them? I don't know.
Let's make this deathmatch go quick, boys. 3 people are gonna get cases this game, I'm confirming.
3 people?
My dad works for Valve.
Really?
Yeah, he sucked Gabe's like 2 days ago or something.
Nice.
Someone said that something about the AK and M4.
There's a new AK in that's all I know about. I don't think there's
The
anything new that
Tech
happened
9
to him.
looks pretty good.
Yeah, Tech 9 looks pretty sweet.
Yeah, it does. I like the new M4, I don't really like the AK that much.
Actually, I think the best part about this update is the chickens have Christmas sweaters.
That's what I was saying, dude.
The chickens have sweaters?
Yeah, you didn't
Fuck
see that?
yeah.
No.
Ugly Christmas
Fucking
sweaters.
amazing, dude.
Fuck, I'm gonna check that out
Dude,
right now.
this is like a replacement to the Tech 9. Fuck replacing the CZ with the dualies. Just delete the Deagle out of the game. We don't need it anymore.
Fuck Deagle.
Yeah,
Everyone
We don't
is
use
using
the Deagle
chickens.
anymore.
It's the full-on revolver.
This Deagle is pretty much ripped out of this game. They saw that all the pros were using it, so they knew that something was wrong, so they had to add an even more overpowered pistol in the game.
16 fucking shots. Don't use a gun in this game.
Now it doesn't even
Man, I'm
matter if
doing
we
really
lose
bad.
pistol round. It's just
Yeah,
like one
you just
shot.
buy this thing.
Yeah, just buy this in armor and you're fine.
Dude, I love this pistol like for
Screw
jump
the
shots.
AK.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a revolver only matchmaking later.
You can jump with it?
Yeah, it's pretty accurate with that too. Yeah, it's completely accurate while jumping and running.
Wow. As long as you hold
Rip.
down
OP
mouse
as
wheel.
hell.
Yeah, as long as you spam mouse 1.
Oh, through the door!
That's pretty sick. This is all in my montage.
Oh! It's like more powerful than an op. It's like a mini op.
$800 op.
Dude, who
So you
uses the
can
op
run and
anymore?
shoot.
Who uses the op anymore when you have the...
Pretty much now.
The op with no scope.
It's so fun to use.
I see a chicken.
Don't kill a chicken, man. It's got a sweater on.
I wanna see it though, I didn't see it. Oh, they have a red sweater. Oh, fuck you.
Very good shot. Very good shooting.
So much people. Well, someone brought an op to an op fight.
Wow.
Someone bought a revolver to an op fight, and they won.
Very nice.
Holy yo, that was a...
You got him.
Oh.
So this gun needs to be buffed, it's so bad, like just make it as long range as an op.
Same damage and same rage as the op.
Yeah, just no scope.
Very good.
I'm gonna buy a name tag for this. Name it op.
Op Dragon Pour.
R8 Dragon Lore.
Very nice. You have done well.
Someone brought an op.
Because he's getting wrecked by all the Deagle players.
Nice shot.
Or other Revolve players.
Nice shot, my friend.
The guy with the op died. Must be a silver.
Very good.
Must be a silver.
You got him.
This thing is nuts.
Hold on, one of us have an op.
The hell?
Yo, there's 4 fucking people.
Nice shooting.
Yo, you jumped and shot.
Dude, the feeds you can get in this game with this gun now, easy peasy.
Jeez, that's fuck. Keep getting wrecked.
Very nice.
The fuck?
My friend. Very good shooting.
And I guess, really?
Very good shot.
15 more seconds, boys.
3 drops, I called it. 2 seconds. 3 drops from Connor.
here we go.
Please give me a
Here we
give
go.
me
3
a drop.
drops. 3 drops.
Oh.
1 drop.
Oh.
Only 2.